Hi buddy, it's me again, Manglam. Have you already watched these lightning episodes? Now let's take another part. This is blizzard, a cold weather. This is a very cold and bad weather. That you don't want to go outside to build a snowman. What is a blizzard? Mixed together wind and heavy snow. What do you get? A blizzard. Blizzard is a one natural powerful storm. Blizzards only happen when it is very cold and it has winds which when a blizzard hits. Blizzards blow snow into hill pile called snowdrift. It is really hard to move on this. It is very dangerous too. Winter weather is cold, so the snow does not melt. It just piles up and up and up. They saw a snowstorm in the New York City, a big pile of snow. In America, most blizzards happen in December, January, and February. Staying safe. Then the scientists use a special computers. These computers know when the blizzards were coming. If you see a blizzard, don't drive car. Why? The car will be stuck on the snow. Just get out of the car and run. Have you ever had a very snow day? Blizzard keep rolling after you going from work. They keeping kids to going from going to school. They keep pets from going outside. That is until the snowfalls come. After blizzard, it can take the weeks to melt all the snow to melt. When it is summer, it's really hot in my country. And this is the end. And you can download the PDF of these blizzards. And can you subscribe and give a like button to me? Thank you for listening. Bye.